What if the car of the future isn't just a mode of transport, but a personalized sanctuary that understands you, adapts to you, and puts your comfort, safety, and sustainability at its core? Welcome to the year 2024, where luxury cars are redefining the very concept of opulence and pushing the envelope of what's possible. First on the list of innovations are sustainable powerhouses. Electric vehicles have come a long way, but imagine a future where your car charges itself through solar roof panels or runs on clean, long-lasting hydrogen fuel cells. This isn't just about reducing carbon footprints, but creating a new paradigm for automotive power. Next, we have AI co-pilots. In this brave new world, your car isn't just a machine, it's an intelligent companion that learns your habits, optimizes your journey, and even curates your entertainment. Thirdly, we see the rise of biometric integration, cars that recognize you, adjust to your preferences, and provide a personalized driving experience. Think of it as your vehicle becoming an extension of yourself. Then, there are self-healing materials. No more worrying about minor scratches or dents. Your car will take care of itself, maintaining its pristine appearance for years to come. We also have next-level safety systems that predict accidents before they happen, take evasive action, and communicate with the surrounding infrastructure to keep you safe. But the future holds even more surprises. Imagine flying cars that whisk you across the city, avoiding traffic and reducing travel time, or personalized interiors that adapt to your posture, anticipate your temperature preferences, and enhance your mood with customizable lighting. In conclusion, luxury in 2024 isn't about flashy gadgets or ostentatious designs. It's about creating a seamless blend of innovation, sustainability, and unparalleled comfort. These exciting advancements are not just changing the face of luxury cars, they are redefining our relationship with transportation, inspiring a future of sustainable, intelligent, and truly luxurious mobility. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these innovations in our upcoming videos, exploring their potential impact and the thrilling future of luxury cars. Until then, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep looking forward to the future of luxury.